with its own OS, its own resources, and its own processor. Actually, it can use multiple physical processors, but at the same time, the idea is to give from one computer, there are multiple computers that are being originated. That's the central idea of virtual machine. Now, in case you don't know the basics till now, so you didn't pay attention, unlike some people, then there are certain terms like hypervisor. Also, for this whole cloud computing unit, kindly just check a map PPT because there are different architectures all around, and what we are using under V2 is different. Guest, host, and then VM definition, which I already did. So there are around many types of hypervisors. Are you familiar with what a hypervisor is? So you have some hardware given by any your company or your own PC, anything. You have a hardware, and you want to create multiple VMs. Okay, you want to create multiple VMs. How is that going to happen? Using hypervisor. Now, when Srihari will explain virtual box, which we all have used in previous times, you'll understand virtual box or Hyper-V, or all of these are actually hypervisors. They're just glorified hypervisors, which are basically converting your physical hardware into virtual machine, or single computer into multiple computers. So, for example, this is the traditional machine, as you can see here. Application OS hardware. This is application OS hardware. Again, this is host base. Do you guys know about the two types of hypervisors and implementation? The reason why this is important is unless you have not been through your interview or in case you haven't, this might come under because this came a lot of times in all cloud-based companies. Host-based virtualization, bare metal. Bare metal, if you just want to remember it's done in the same system. The system in which the company, this is for enterprises and what actually will be asked. This is your virtual box or what you do in your laptop or for testing or testing purpose, production. Now, so this is the Vmware architecture. This is not what we are going to discuss, but used for deployment and other purposes. The one which we are going to discuss, this is from Vmware itself. So it is the first full infrastructure virtualization suite. So it is, as we know, as a certain automation company, known as the Pioneer. Working for it, this is the cloud pioneer. So they are known as the father of cloud computing because it's the one which we are going to discuss. This is from Vmware itself. So it is the first full infrastructure virtualization suite. So it is, as we know, as a certain automation company, known as the Pioneer. Working for it, this is the cloud pioneer. So they are known as the father of cloud computing because 80% of market share is still held, despite Microsoft and other companies, even AWS. For this base metal market share, 80% is still owned there. Because it was the first, so it has the tenor there, and it is able to transform the IT system infrastructure through virtualization. Just buzzwords for Mark, basically converting single hardware into multiple work units. If you want the technical definition, single unit into multiple units, so that different people can use it for different work pieces and output. Now, for exam purposes, if you want to remember the what the infrastructure delivers, MOPA, like the coffee. Management Resource Optimization. I'll explain about it in the later slides, but just remember this buzzword. Management Resource Optimization. Management is being done, resource optimization. Operation Automation Capability. This is also there in the final thing and I'll explain, but this is just done so that you are able to automate certain type of work. Then as computer science engineers, we want to automate it. Comprehensive, which means your full virtualization. As ma'am would have discussed in previous classes, there is one thing known as partial and then full optimization. So this gives full virtualization. And then application availability, which comes under high availability. So just remember the MOPA. As you know, Vmware is an American cloud company and was the first commercially successful company to virtualize the x86 model, which we have studied under MPMC. 8086 microprocessor for that. Back subject, but it is there. Now this is the architecture, the main thing. So you have ESX server. This is the hypervisor. This is the core of the whole thing. If you want to remember how to make a diagram, diagram. This is for test purpose, I'm saying. Server. Here there will be a file system, and then here there will be an SMP. Just write it like this. 4 boxes, just like this, or 3 boxes. You have OS here, yeah, OS, and resources or application, whatever you want to write here, or data. And then at the top, you have something known as virtual center management server. Every server, if you go on YouTube, you'll find a different video, different word for it. So go by what is given here. PC, MS, and there are 3 things common. x86 model, which we have studied under MPMC. 8086 microprocessor, we got that. Back subject, but it is there. Now this is the architecture, the main thing. So you have ESX server. This is the hypervisor. This is the core of the whole thing. If you want to remember how to make a diagram, just make the diagram. This is for test purpose, I'm saying. Server. Here there will be a file system, and then here there will be an SMP. Just write it like this. 4 boxes, just like this, or 3 boxes. You have OS here, yeah, OS, and resources or application, whatever you want to write here, or data. And then at the top, you have something known as virtual center management server. Every server, if you go on YouTube, you'll find a different video, different word for it. So go by what is given here. PC, MS, and there are 3 things common: VRS, HA, and consolidated backup. HA, and rather there's something instead of consolidated backup, you can write, in case you want to remember, client interface. Here, simple. And what is this being built on? So as I said, there should be a hardware, right? So the hardware is the server, enterprise network, and that storage. This whole resources, and all of this comes under something called as vSphere. This comes under something called as vSphere, which is not here, but I'm just saying for your general knowledge. So, as I said, it's a production proven virtualization layer run on physical that abstracts. So, in case you don't want to remember the fancy, but just say converts the processor, memory, and storage of physical resource into the multiple virtual machine. This is basically hypervisor. Now, as I said, file system. Vmware virtual machine file system is a high performance crystal file system for virtual machines like you have for Windows. So, one more thing. The virtual machine, this virtual hypervisor itself is a OS. So, like we have Windows and Linux, this itself is a OS. That's why this virtual system and assembly is already embedded in it. Now, virtual system multiprocessing enables a single virtual machine to use multiple processors simultaneously. This is basically when we do AI, right? If you want to execute, a few people would have done Sherlock Holmes, you would know. If you want to execute data analytics in Linux in VirtualBox, if you suppose your computer has more than 1 core, in that only you will use SMP, even though that's a host-based model, I should not use that example. But that is application everywhere. Now, virtual center management system, the central point for configuring